PT Intan Wijaya International is a publicly listed manufacturer of formalin and formalin derivatives with over 30 years of experience and 2 facilities located in Semarang and Banjarmasin. One of our highlight products is Onestep Glue, a ready-mixed urea formaldehyde powder resin. The range of application Onestep Glue can do includes production of wooden furniture, installation of wood flooring, veneering, and reparation of wooden products. Not only excels in bond strength, Onestep Glue is also resistant to water, heat, and fire. With minimum cracking and shrinkage, Onestep Glue can also be used for filling hole, gap, or crack on wood. Onestep is easy to prepare and use. Simply mix 2 parts glue with 1 part water. No hardener is required. Then stir the glue mixture thoroughly until it becomes a smooth paste, free of clumps. Now, let's apply the mixture on wood. For optimum result, make sure the surface is clean, free from moisture, grease, dust, and dirt. Then apply the mixture thinly on the surface. 1 side is enough. Clamp or press while the mixture is still wet or tacky. Wipe out excess glue before it dries to prevent it from hardening and staining the wood. Wait about 1 hour for drying time and 5 hours for optimum bond. Don't forget to clean all equipment within 1 hour. Now, let's test out 2 commercially available glues compared with Onestep Glue. First, let's see how the glue do against water and heat. This test shows both PVAC and solvent glue easily fall apart. Now let's see Onestep Glue. Even with more pressure, Onestep Glue doesn't break. Compared with PVAC and solvent glue, Onestep Glue has the most minimum shrinkage, making it suitable for filling hole, gap, and crack or smoothing surface on wood. Onestep Glue is non-flammable. It can also be heat activated to dry almost instantly, such as in hot pressing operation. Speaking of Onestep Glue as filler, simply mix sawdust with glue mixture, then apply it on the hole, gap, or crack. You can also use Onestep Glue to smoothen the wood surface. Since Onestep Glue mimics wood, it can be easily sanded and painted, making it suitable for your artistic projects. Onestep Glue bonds stronger than wood and can withstand pressure of at least 44 kg per inch square on hard wood. On this second test, Onestep can even withstand pressure of more than 70 kg per inch square on hard wood, far exceeding the international standard. Now, let's see how Onestep Glue withstand the pressure of being pulled by 2 cars. Onestep Glue is available in the packaging size of 250 gram, 500 gram, 1 kilogram, and 25 kilogram. In its original sealed packaging, Onestep Glue can be stored for up to 6 months at a temperature of maximum 30 degrees Celsius. For technical information, product samples, and dealership opportunity, please send an email to info@intanwijaya.com. Please also visit our official website, www.intanwijaya.com.